Hi everyone, this is Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties. Just wanted to give you a little bit of heads up on the first three things you should know when you're going to be selling your home. First would be to make sure you figure out what your replacement property is going to be. Are you going to be moving across the country? Are you moving within Cheyenne? So make sure you start looking at those options before you really decide to sell. Obviously, if you're moving across the country, you're going to have to get on that and start doing some research where you're going. The second thing is you really need to determine a timeline as far as when you're going to be listing your home and when you're going to sell. I would say in this market in Cheyenne, I would forecast out about 3 months. So you're going to want to put your home on the market about 3 months prior to when you're going to want to actually get moved into your next property. The third thing is you definitely would want to contact a real estate agent, hopefully one here at REMAX Capital Properties, but you're going to want to counsel with that agent, figure out are there some things you need to do to your home, such as painting, decluttering, outside work. A lot of times the first impression is huge, so you want that first impression to be great when a person's driving up to your property from a curb appeal standpoint. So reach out to the agent. They're going to be able to counsel with you to get on that timeline, and hopefully those 3 tips will help you out for the first part of this year. You can always reach us at 307-635-0303 or our website, CheyenneHomestore.com. Thanks and have a great day.